Hey everyone, today's spotlight is on Moi Moi, a delicious Nigerian steamed beans pudding. We will explore how to make it, from preparing the beans to achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Let's get cooking.
Rather on my feet, steady rocking Louis V. Every time I pull up in my G's. Oh my God, we don't shut it down.
Okay, this is the beans I usually use to make my moi moi. Sometimes I use it for akara too. All you have to do is just to put it in the water and wash it nicely. After washing it, then you soak it for like 10 minutes. That will help to soften it because it's a dry beans, so and peeled dry beans. So I wash it nicely. Then after washing it, then I will soak it for 10 minutes.
Give me lamba, make I blow. See me so.
It's always easy for me to use it than trying to wash the beans to take the coat off. So I usually use that. So after 10 minutes, this is after 10 minutes, I'll just put it in a blender. And for blending, yes. And these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use. This is boiled pepper, and I use the onions. I like putting enough onions in my food. And I have the pepper, the yellow one. I have my ginger, the garlic. Yes, I like putting them on. And this is the crayfish. Crayfish, yes. Food without crayfish is not it. So I like to use crayfish. And then I wash my bell peppers and I blend it together with the beans.
Now we big man from activities now. They be like cinema. I'm a blind selling fan.
Then I put my onions, my yellow pepper, the garlic, the ginger and the garlic. Then I'm gonna be putting my bell pepper and the crayfish. Then I add oil to it because I would like it to mix up very well while you're blending it. Then add little water because I don't want it to be too watery. I still need it to be thick after blending it. This is it. Then I put my salt. Then I put seasoning to taste. Then I make sure I blend everything together till it's smooth. Then I'll pour it out. Ready to mix it up. Then I have to check if the salt is good enough. Then I'll put a little one and I'll still add vegetable oil to it because vegetable oil makes the texture to be good. So after that, I put paprika to give it nice look. Then I make the foil that I'm gonna use to put it and set in the pot. So I fold my foil, I cut it out, and I make this kind of shape. I have to fold it into two and close the edges. Close the two edges and just leave one opening so that I'll be able to put in the mixture in there and close it up and lay in the pot. That's my foil ready to be used. Then I put eggs in the moi moi. It depends. Whatever protein that you like to use. Some people use fish. Yes, when you cook fish, you debone the fish. Then you can also add it into your moi moi. But I just like it simple. So I put I like using egg into it. Yeah, this is my moi moi ready to go into the pot.
Something pretty God make my time low. I want to feel among is you cook and make woe. So I face my fears, my blood and sweat and tears. Nobody answer me, be like say nobody care.
Yeah, this is me putting the moi moi into the pot.
I'm a like ceiling fan. The boy is chilling now. Show them gonna be man. I'm the biggest thing in town. Yeah, the biggest fish in town. If Muzadora me bazo, what can Elise Fenwalano? Let the boy knows in the taco. Yeah, if he fenjamo, I'm a pussy for plano.
Yes. This is another wrapping. So this is how I'm gonna wrap everything and lay them in a pot to cook. Oh my god, it's not easy. Sometimes the foil will flip over, so you have to be very careful to not allow that to happen. Then these are my moi moi in the pot. Then you cover up and cook my moi moi for 30 minutes. Then you have to be very careful. You check for waters. You check for water to make sure that it doesn't get burnt. So this is the moi moi ready to come out. This is it. Yeah, this is it. You can serve with any protein of your type. You can say I'm serving with a fish. Then and at the same time, you have a different way to eat your moi moi. You can eat it with gari, soaked gari, or you can eat it with custard or pap. It depends which one you want to use to eat your moi moi. This is so delicious, so delicious. I hope you will try it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels for more videos.
I get all up for my